Hey guys, it's Isa, and today we're gonna be making slime go Zero slime kit. So, sometimes in this video, my sister's gonna be some in the crib. Say hi.
Hi, Mila.
Hi guys, I'm getting Coco Hero. Oh, she's okay. So let's open up this box. Okay, all this comes with a measuring cup, a bowl, some glitter, and 2 spoons, and a bowl, some glitter, and what is this?
Slime activator.
Slime activator. And a welcome. Okay. The next one's taken out.
Slime activator number 2.
2 slime activators. And slime glue. And some stuff. And white slime glue. And red black. I did not know that's what that is. So, it's a stick for something. These are one of the dots for this kind of slime. I'll show it to you later. Okay. And some more glitter. And one more stick. And another spoon. And some colors of your choice. What's this color? And some bobbies. What's this shop? We'll go to that. So right now I'm gonna open this clear too. Easy peasy.
And you need to put in 15 ml of clear glue into this measuring cup.
That's it. And
Yeah, she does. And stop.
what do we do with this?
Now you're gonna pour it into your bowl.
Mom! There.
If you want, use the spoons to make sure that you're getting everything out.
Okay, now since we got it all out.
Okay, so now I'm going to put 20 ml of room temperature water.
Mama, and if I did that part, I will make a big mess.
There you go. So now let's open this. And it says to add half of the pack of glitter.
Oh, I could have started on.
And blend, blend, blend.
Is that another to stir?
Oh, it doesn't say stir. Why did I say blend? I'm sorry. Yeah, stir.
Wow.
Since the blend is actually a blender machine.
I mean, blend and stir are kind of the same. Same. Yeah, you get to stir the eyes, okay, Mia? Okay, so you grab your stick and stir the eyes. Grab a stick. Yeah. Now stir. No, you do ice. Good job.
What time does a coconut go in the cake? At 3 a.m. I'm putting the slime activator into the measuring cup. So now, what's the next step?
So now you put it into the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, you got it all?
Now I know it's sticky. We're gonna
Okay. Whoa, that's kind of cool.
Okay. Oh, this is the first time I had slime in my hand. It feels so cold.
This is not the first time.
Yes, it is. It's the first time.
Well, you've made slime before with Daddy.
Yeah, but I didn't get it touching. It's falling off my hand.
Like rub it. So which slime kit do you like more? The JoJo Siwa one or the one you did before that was just like regular slime?
JoJo Siwa.
Why?
Let's see. It has glitter. It has glitter, which is my favorite. And it has sparkles and bows. It's a knife. So
Now you want to try it?
Yeah.
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay, this might be enough for my hands. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is so satisfying. And I already had enough.
Oh, okay.
So right now I think it's done. I paid a fifth for large, so it's done. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and share.